how Smurf cat started. So have you seen this blue Smurf cat on TikTok? It's a viral meme. So TikTok has been going crazy over an image of what they call a Smurf cat or a shallow shy. It's become so well loved that it's now turned into its own meme. But what exactly is a Smurf cat and where did it all come from? TikTok continued to be one of the most popular social media platform out there, with millions of users constantly engaging with each other's videos and taking part in their latest trends and challenges. One of the most recent trend on the app has to do with Smurf cat. Yes, you read it right. The hashtag Smurf cat has over 691.9 million views, with the Russian hashtag shallow shy having an additional 441.1 million views. But what exactly is a Smurf cat and where it come from and why the people on TikTok loving it so much? So the blue Smurf cat is a creature looks like a mix of a Smurf cat and a mushroom, and it has become a huge meme on social media. The creature was created by Nat Helen back in 2014, and 9 years later the little blue Smurf, which has been known as shallow shy, has taken over TikTok, and his appearance is almost always paired with the Alan Walker song, particularly with the lyrics "We live, we love, we lie." So this is how Smurf cat started. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.